What's good, fam? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We dropping another banger. I'm customizing some Brazilian flags. I don't actually have the slides on me because I already sent them on their way with their owner. But anyway, today we'll be going over how to customize Brazilian slides. And you know, I did this for a friend. This is not my first time doing the Brazilian flag. I did it 2 previous times before this, so this is my 3rd time. I hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's get it. Oh, one second, you know, check out the merch. All right guys, let's get it. All right guys, so today we're gonna start off with cutting out the Nike sign so we can put that white over it. You get what I'm saying? You dig what I'm saying? Okay, let's just keep going on. And the white is going to be the base coat for the blue, as you can see in the Brazilian flag. In the middle part, it's blue with stars in it. Now moving on to the yellow part, the way I did this was I masked it out with tape in a square for the yellow part. Hold on. Before you continue watching the video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, you feel me? Now let's continue with the video. Alright, so now we're on to the yellow part of the flag. Now we're removing the yellow part so we can begin the process of masking the yellow so we can spray the green. Now for the green part of the slides. For this I did a couple of coats of green just to get that nice, rich, deep green. A very vibrant green. So we're almost done with the slides. Right now I'm removing the mask tape. Now this is the final result. Everything done, everything painted, my signature on it, looking spiffy on the slides. I appreciate it so much for watching the full video. In the comment section below, let me know what you guys think about these. Should I do more flags? Which flag should I do? Should I do more Air Forces? Should I do more creative oriented customs? Like, let me know in the comment section below. And don't be afraid to show some love. Alright guys, we out. Have a blessed week. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed, yeah, okay, I'm done. Let's get it.